I'm so glad I bought this camera 2 weeks ago. It's only $28 versus Ring, which is $59 for the same features, same everything, and the subscription is higher with Ring. You don't have to buy the subscription for either one unless you want it, but with this one, it's only $29. So here's me going into the app. This is the review from the app. Really easy to use, really easy to set up. If you're a first-time buyer or anybody, you'll probably get 15% off anyways and free shipping. So what are you waiting for? This is an amazing deal and it helps you stay safe. Just click on the shopping cart on the left-hand corner. Bye, you guys. See you later.